Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to stake your coins on Binance and compare APY options to help you choose the best one. First, open the Binance app and go to the Earn section. Browse the available staking products and select the cryptocurrency you want to stake, such as BNB, ETH, or SOL. Next, compare the APY. A higher APY can mean higher rewards, but it may also come with longer lockup periods or different terms. Choose the option that matches your investment goals. Once you have made your choice, enter the amount you want to stake, review the details, and confirm. Your rewards will start accumulating based on the staking product you selected. That's it. Staking on Binance is an easy way to earn passive income while holding your crypto. Just remember to compare APYs, lockup periods, and risk before making your decision. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching.